Let's talk about how to play a 5-finger pattern, also known as a pentascale. So I'm going to start with the C 5-finger pattern, which means I'm going to place my very first finger here, which is my thumb of my right hand, on the note C. If I step each finger up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is called a 5-finger pattern, also called a pentascale. So I'm going to start on C, C, D, E, F, G, and then I'm going to come down, G, F, E, D, C. That's going backwards. So that is the right hand C major 5-finger pattern, or C major pentascale. To do the same thing with the left hand, I'm going to have to start on C, I'll have to start with my pinky. So my hands here are in C position. I'm going to start with that pinky on the low C and play like this. C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C. So when it's time for you to get graded, you are actually going to get graded with hands playing that pattern together. Now it looks very simple, but it's actually a little bit challenging because notice that your fingers are moving in parallel motion, but you are using different finger numbers on each hand. So I want you to start this nice and slow, really relax, keep those fingers curved and the wrists nice and flexible, because they're going to need to do the majority of the work here. So very slowly we start on the note C, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Good. Now I'm going to take the top note, which is G, and I'm going to make that my starting note. Now I'm going to try that same 5-finger pattern, but this time I'm starting on the note G. With hands together, it looks like this. G, A, B, C, D, C, B, A, G. Good. It will take lots of practice, but once you get used to the motion, it will come very, very easily for you. You can play a pentascale, a major pentascale, starting on any key on the keyboard, black and white keys. But we're going to start with C and G because they are both completely on white keys only, and you won't have to play any black keys for those. So remember, keep your arms loose, your wrists flexible, and happy practicing.